Good morning, everyone. It's Francis. It is Tuesday morning, right around 7 a.m. Central Savings Time here in Texas, outside of Houston. We are attending a conference today of educators, and we're going to do a lot of cameos and a lot of pop-ins, and we hope that you're going to enjoy the day. You wonder, I'm going to try to do this. You wonder where are they holding the conference, right? And so we've been in contact with our friend Christine. And try to hold my face steady, I'm sorry. And Jorge and I are both going to join together and here at the Lunar and Planetary Institute. Let's get my face again. See if I can get this in. This side is, ooh, can I get it? I don't know if I can get it. There it is. USRA. And on the other side, let's see what's on the other side. And I'm going to do a little bit later a video for my students in Cameroon and my teacher, Roland, so that they can, let's see, how am I going to do this? Let's do this. The Lunar and Planetary Institute here near Space Center, Houston. Okay, that's where we're at. I'll be back soon.